In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate Pinterest account. If you need a break from pinning or want to pause your presence without losing your boards, deactivation is a safe, reversible option. Deactivating hides your profile, boards, and pins from others, but it doesn't delete your content. You can come back later and pick up right where you left off. I'll walk you through the exact path on the Pinterest website so you can do it confidently and quickly. Start by opening Pinterest in your web browser and make sure you're on your home feed. If you use multiple accounts, double check you're on the one you want to deactivate before continuing. The interface can vary a little depending on updates, but the key labels and locations we'll use are consistent across most accounts. Look toward the bottom left area of the Pinterest screen. You should see a gear icon or a label for settings in the left sidebar. Click that. This opens a small menu or panel that gives you quick access to your account controls. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover or click to reveal it so you can find the settings option. The gear icon is your cue that you're in the right place. Inside that menu, click on Settings again to open the full settings page. This takes you out of the feed and into your account's central control center. Here, Pinterest organizes everything into sections, making it simple to manage your profile, privacy, and account changes. We're heading to the area that controls activation and deactivation. On the settings page, select Account Management. You'll find it listed on the left side among other categories. Account Management is where Pinterest keeps tools related to the status of your account. Opening it will show options to make significant changes, and deactivation is one of them. Now click Deactivate Account. Pinterest may show a short explanation of what deactivation means, so you know exactly what will happen. This action hides your profile and content, so other people won't be able to see your pins or boards while your account is inactive. It doesn't delete your data, and you can reactivate later simply by signing back in. Take a moment to confirm that deactivation is the option you want, especially if your goal is to step away temporarily rather than permanently remove anything. That's all you need to do. Once deactivated, your Pinterest presence goes quiet until you're ready to return. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you deactivate your Pinterest account with confidence.